Hey everyone out there and welcome back to Tegunity Academy. In today's this video, you will get to notice the unseen and important aspects of network marketing that you have read in the thumbnail. So without talking much, let's jump to the point and let's directly talk about the myths of direct selling business. But hold on a second. Before moving forward, we would like to inform you that this video is also available in Hindi language. So if you wanted to watch that video, then you have two options. Go to the YouTube search bar and search on that tegunity.com. And secondly, you can check out the link given in the description box of this video. Well, we all know that the direct selling industry is plugged with many questions. Many people who already have been involved in this industry do not have known what they have to do, and after spending some of their months here in direct selling business, they started blaming the industry. Well, it has become such a thing that if I can't drive a car properly, then it's the fault of that car only. Apart from this, some people wasted both their money and time with Ponzi schemes and chit fund companies in the name of direct selling, and then they misinterpret the direct selling business. But it was their greed to double the money which stimulate and encourage them to get associated with such chit fund companies. Because of this, many people misunderstood the beauty of this direct selling business in India. Today, this video is for that very direct seller who sees his career in the direct selling industry, and after this, watching this video, you will definitely want to share this video with everyone. So the first myth is in the mind of people that people fear of people. A lot of people think that one day their company's plan will end and there will be no new people to join the company, whereas the reality is something else, what you can't actually see. By the way, I know that everyone does know about it, but let me tell you about this information. Every direct selling company has its own products, and those products are made according to the needs of the people. So you yourself are able to think and understand whether the need and demand of the people are increasing or is decreasing. And here the point is of population. So I will share with you some figures. Every minute there are 34 births and 10 deaths are registered in India. And every hour the births registered rate is 2062 and deaths are 603. And in one day there are 49,481 births and 14,475 deaths are registered. And monthly registered figures went to 1.5 million births and 0.4 million deaths. So now you can yourself inference whether the population is increasing or is decreasing. By the way, if you count the population increase according to a single minute, then your business and the market both are increasing. Now it depends on you how big the market you can capture. Now you will feel that everyone will not join the direct selling business. But if seen with possibilities, then everyone will not become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, or a teacher. People will surely choose different professions. Some of them may prefer a job, somebody may do its own business, and people among them will also choose direct selling. And with this, I wanted to acquaint, very soon we will bring an informational video with the title Know Your Potential Prospect, from which you will get to know that who is your ideal prospect to whom you can show your business plans. Because everyone cannot be your prospect in direct selling industry. Now come to the second myth, that is money double system. This is too much common nowadays. Maybe you too had experienced. Whenever you went up to show your business plan to someone, they themselves offers you their business opportunity. Actually, you know why this happens most of the time? Because some people get greedy and they didn't find anything wrong to ask other to invest their money for their personal profits, and after doing so they ran away, which is completely wrong. And I really wanted to tell you that there is really big difference among direct selling, money rotation, and chit fund companies. So be wise while choosing one of them. None of the direct selling organization calls you to invest your money in them, as every direct selling company works upon their product selling model, which we called as business plan. And when you choose one and started working on that model, then on the basis of your team's sales, you got your payouts. And that is the only simplest and straight working model of the direct selling companies. If anybody offers you to join any organization by giving them 10,000 and in return they promises you that you will get so and so money for the next 6 months, then that is not a direct selling company. That is truly a chit fund company who stepped into the market for a particular time duration, and when it completed its target, it will disappear. And if you are still investing your money in such companies after knowing all these nuisance, then it must be your fault and not of the direct selling industry. So stay alert and stay safe. Now come to the third myth, that is fast millionaire scheme. If you see around today, there will be a large number of such young people who joined the direct selling industry when they wanted and dreamed of getting rich in just few months after joining any of the direct selling company. Whereas the reality is completely opposite. And if seen with the difference, it's not the complete fault of our youth, because people who called them their mentors are taught and showed them this only, and gave them their 6 months of time to change their life 360 degrees. And in such attraction, they get forced to join such organization, and when they get to know about the reality, and when they met a true leader like you who told them about the true reality and came out of the fantasy world, they do not believe you. But I wanted to consider the reality of direct selling business, that it is the business of consistency, patience, hard work, practice, and learning, etc. So we can say that the direct selling business is the perfect combination of efforts. So this business required the same level of efforts and consistent efforts that you put into to crack the examination of IIT, law, MBBS, UPSC, or SSB, or any of the degrees that you wanted to get. So never trust someone's sweet talks. Instead, you must do research by yourself before joining any of the direct selling companies or the organization, because no organization can convert you into a millionaire in just few days or months. Now come to the fourth myth, that is leaders are the only earners. We have seen this many times, that most people believe or think that the people who joined the organization earlier and became the top leaders are the only earners in the organization, whereas people who joined later will not be benefited that much. Eventually, they think to get enrolled in a new organization where they can hold a top position in it. So it is just a thought of yours and a state of a mind, and that doesn't really happen. If you are in a race, you cannot decide who will come in front. Look over this clip as an example. So as you seen in this clip that how Sanju came forward over Shekhar in the end. The same has happened with you. If one leader is getting higher payouts while working with an organization, it doesn't mean that you have lost your chances or the opportunities. It depends upon the plans and strategies that you made for yourself. So what your blueprints will be, with whom you are counseling to, only hard work will not bring you closer to the success. You need to do smart work as well. So it never happens like that the top leaders are the only earners. Now come to the fifth point, that is IDSA and FDSA is compulsory. Indian Direct Selling Association and Federation of Direct Selling Association are the regulatory bodies and are autonomous bodies. And on them we had already made separate videos some time ago. The link of both the videos are available in the description box of this video. From there you can watch the videos completely. However, let me give you a short idea about both of them. For any of the direct selling organization, it is not mandated to be a member of them. It doesn't mean that these organizations are erroneous. Both of the organizations convey the word of direct selling industry to the government. So if any organization is not listed in FDSA or IDSA, it doesn't mean that they are illegal or doing something wrong. So this is it for now. Tell us how better you found this video and the information, and if you liked the video and the information, then hit the like button. With this, if you have any question or any doubt you wanted to ask us, then feel free to ask. And for more information, you can leave your comment below. So do share this video and let the people burst their myths about the direct selling business. So this is Divya from Tegunity Academy. See you soon with some more amazing informational videos like this. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Jai Hind.